salam kebajikan. Perkenalkan, nama saya Wayan Tiara, NPM 22411023. Saya dari kelas manajemen 22A. Pada video kali ini, saya membahas mengenai selection and placement. Yuk simak videonya sampai dengan selesai. Definition of selection. Selection is the process of selection prospective employees who have qualification in accordance with job recruitment selection active are carried out to reduce some of the number of applicants so that the best prospective employees are obtained. Selection is a series of activities step used to decide whether the applicant is expected or not according to the qualification in the job description. The selection process involves choosing from various objects with only a few objects being selected. Selection method. The following are some selection methods commonly used by companies. Number 1. Cover letter selection. Applicants are asked to read a one-page cover letter about why they are suitable for the position offered, their motivation for applying for a job at the company, what experience is relevant, and how they will carry out their new role. Number 2. Resume examination. Resume examination is carried out to evaluate the applicant work experience and qualification. Number 3. Skill test. Skill test is conducted to evaluate the applicant technical abilities. Number 4. Personality test. Personality tests are carried out to evaluate the personality characteristic of applicant. Reference check. Reference check are carried out to verify the information provided by the applicant and evaluate the applicant performance and behavior in previous workplace. Next, interview. Interview are conducted to evaluate the applicant communication, abilities, motivation, and interpersonal skill. Next, work practice. Work practice are carried out to evaluate the applicant ability to complete tasks relevant to the available position. Next, psychological tests. Psychology tests are carried out to evaluate the personality, characteristic, and psychological abilities of applicant. Next, health test. Health test is carried out to evaluate the applicant physical condition. Next, language. The language test. A language test is conducted to evaluate an applicant language skill. Next, selection criteria. Selection criteria can be used in several categories such as number 1. Education. Educational qualification required for the available position such as a bachelor degree or diploma. Number 2. Works experience. Works experience that is relevant to the position available such as work experience in the same industry or work experience in a similar position. Next, physical condition. The physical condition required for the position available such as the ability to lift heavy load or the ability to work in a dusty environment. Next, personality. Personality characteristic recruit from the position available, such as the ability to work in a team or the ability to work under pressure. Next, loyalty. The ability to remain loyal and committed to the company. Next, responsibility and professionalism. Ability to be responsible and professional at work. Next, attitude and attitude. Positive attitude and ability to adapt to different work environment. Next, work ethics. Ability to work with good ethics and follow company rules. Next, selection process. The selection process must be carried out currently and will show that the recruitment goals and getting suitable and worthy employees can be achieved. Here are several ways to carry out effective employee selection. Number 1, identify the type of job and create a clear job description. Number 2, determine selection criteria that are appropriate to the available position. Number 3, use a selection method that suits the need of the position or organizational needs. Number 4, ensure that tools involved in the selection process, including interview, test administrator, and administrator are trained. Number 5, monitor your ongoing selection system and make further improvement or enhancement to the selection process. Number 6, prove a consistent and enjoyable recruiting experience for candidates. Number 6, tell them about the benefit they can get if they join your company. Next, conduct the reference check to verify the information provided by the applicant and evaluate the applicant performance and behavior in previous workplace. Next, definition of placement. Placement is the process of accessing or filling a position or reducing employees to new tasks or position or different position. Employees placement is carried out by manager to place an employee in a job and position in the organization. Employees placement must be carried out appropriately and in accordance with the experience and skill possessed by the employees. The aim of employees placement is to usually employees for the work they are given and to improve their abilities and skill as a basis for the smooth running of their tasks so that they can be more productive. Form of employees placement can be in the form of promotion, transfer, demotion, or even termination of employment. Employees placement consists of two ways, namely, number 1, new employees from outside the company. The company recruit new employees from outside the company to fill available position. This process includes different selection methods, such as interview tests and reference assessment to evaluate a candidate qualification and suitability for the available position. Number 2, assignment to a new pledge for existing employees, which is called internal pledgement. The company pledge existing employees in the organization in available position. This process involves promotion, transfer, or change position. Next, pledgement process. The pledgement process must be carried out well and precisely so that suitable and appropriate employees are available to occupy the available position. Here are some tips for effective employees pledgement. Number 1, identity business and departmental need to determine the duties and responsible of available roles. Number 2, create clear job description to attack candidates who fit the role. Number 3, use candidate assessment to find the right fit for your company. Number 4, ask for employees referrals to explain your reach and improve existing exploits in the process. Number 5, maintain communication with candidates through the placement process to ensure that they are a good fit for the role and work environment available. Number 6, profit and consistent. Enjoyable recruiting experience for candidates. Number 7, tell them about the benefit they can get if they join your company.